This question says two identical particles having same mass m and charge plus q and minus q separated by a distance d enter a uniform magnetic field B directed perpendicular to the paper inwards with speed v1 and v2 as shown in the figure. Okay, the particle will not collide if so we are ignoring electrostatic disturbances. So under what condition the particles will not collide? Now what is happening here is, here both the particles are entering. So if this particle, it will be bending towards this, right? F equal to V cross B. So it is bending into this and this is bending like this, right? Under what condition it will not collide? If this is diameter of the first particle d1 and this is diameter of the second particle, if d is greater than d1 plus d2, then they would not collide. So what is r equal to mv by qb, right? So now I can say d1 would be equal to how much? 2m v1 by qb, twice of r is diameter. Similarly, q1b, d2 would be equal to how much? 2m v2 by qb, right? So from this, what should I have? D should be greater than, I can take out 2m by qb outside into v1 plus v2. So which option satisfies that? Option C satisfies that. So the answer for this question is option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.